As we start Wednesday's trading, the big question on every investor's mind, can Nifty snap its 8-day losing streak? Our call of the day suggests a range-bound trading is quite likely with stock-specific action commanding investors' attention. All eyes will be on the RBI policy outcome to trickle in at 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. The RBI is likely to hold rates at 5.50% on 1st October and probably all through 2025. The RBI is likely to hold rates as global risks are adding to uncertainty. Agreed, easier monetary conditions could lift supply chain confidence. Trade tensions with the United States and new visa criteria have clouded the economic outlook, pushing the rupee to record lows and most importantly, prompting investors to pull out of Indian equity markets. The street will anxious to know from the RBI if the GST reforms will cushion tariff uncertainties. Long story short, caution shall still continue to be the buzzword at Dalal Street. Nifty bulls will however hope that Nifty snaps its 8-day losing streak. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2327 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5762 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive consolidation play with negative bias. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.06 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading firm near the 88.98 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook, the landscape continues appears to be ugly with benchmark Nifty aiming to dip below the psychological important 24,500 mark. Caution advised for Nifty bulls. Nifty, CMP to 4611. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,337 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 24,900 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,800. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 80426. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 79,250 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 81,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 79,900 and 80,900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54389. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,200 and 55,200. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Nifty continues to be smashed by September gloom, receives drubbing for 8th straight day. Strictly speaking, pessimism at Dalal Street revolves around 7 big headlines. 1. Trump's 50% higher tariff for India. 2. Trump's new, one-time payment, $100,000 H-1B visa fee. 3. President Trump imposing a 100% tariff on branded and patented pharmaceuticals from 1st October 2025, unless companies set up U.S. production. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Blue Dart Express, plus 2.81%, gained after the company announced that the average shipment price is set to increase in the range of 9% to 12%, depending on product variabilities and the customer's shipping profile, effective from 1st January 2026. 2. SEPC rose 0.76% after the company secured a 32.6 crore rupees order from Avenir International Engineers and Consultants LLC, Abu Dhabi, for a total consideration of AED 13 million. Approximately 32.63 crore rupees for providing engineering services across various ad hoc projects. 3. DCX Systems added 2.28% after the company received purchase orders totaling approximately 49.89 crore rupees from its customers as part of its regular business operations. 4. Bharat Heavy Electricals, BHEL, plus 2.09% after the company received a letter of award from Madhya Pradesh Power Generating Company, MPPGCL, for 2 supercritical thermal power projects in the state.